Sarah has always been such a loyal friend. She's just such a wonderful person, and Brad, you're very lucky to have Sarah.
When I met Sarah for the first time a few years ago, she and Brad were visiting back home in Washington. They came over for dinner, and it didn't take long to tell that she really made Brad happy. Brad has not only always been the most reliable best friend, he's one of the most humble people you will ever meet.
He's very endearing, very intelligent, and again, just a wonderful match for Sarah. So I couldn't be happier that you two are here together.
As you embark on this journey of love, always love, respect, support, and put each other first in whatever you do.
I'm very happy that you two found each other, and we're celebrating here such a wonderful evening.
The warmest and most beautiful welcome to all of you to Christ Church, Philadelphia.
In the name of God, I, Bradley, take you, Sarah, to be my wife,
I, Sarah, take you, Bradley, to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish.
until we are parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
And now that Bradley and Sarah have given themselves to each other by solemn vows, I pronounce that they are husband and wife.
It's a pleasure to welcome the friends and relatives of both families. Thank you all for coming.
I'm really proud of the both of you and couldn't be more excited for your future.
And Sarah, welcome to our family. You're a great daughter. We just love to have you in our family. It's wonderful.
Brad, I could not be happier to welcome you into the family finally.
I'm so glad that you found each other, the both of you, to share the rest of your lives with.
May you two enjoy a loving, wonderful marriage for many years to come. I wish you all the happiness in the world.
To Sara and Brad, and to wishing them a lifetime of happiness.
To the bride and groom.